Hi guys, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. So I'm out in the sun. It's nice and sunny today, hence the apparel. Nice and sunny. We are soak up some of the sunshine. So today I was on the internet and I came across this topic with one British and him last baby mother, or the baby mother that he was engaged to be married to. I don't know why everybody keeps saying his wife, but it's not his wife because they weren't married. They were engaged to be married, but the man dropped out before the marriage happened, so there was no marriage. Anyway, I heard the daughter came out and the daughter was saying all this thing that she did and how she wanted the dad's estate, how she wanted the dad. My phone dropped. How she wanted the dad estate and the length that she went through to try to so that the kids, she didn't want the kids to get any. She didn't want the kids to get anything that the dad has. So she went through hoops and ropes to try to get what she thinks she deserves. But when me listen to the daughter remind me of my situation.
One still come on and I do all what she do in the name of Jesus with her botheration. She needs to stop it. She needs to stop it. I'm gonna start. From my father dead in 2019, but don't open my mouth, me not have nothing to say. Yes, Oney British was not all that great. He had a lot of up shit, but bitch, you need to stop. You need to stop. You're gonna go up on live and I talk about oh people carry go court. Cora, nobody carried you to no court with your lying fucking ass. Nobody carry you gonna Ross court. Bitch. You need to stop. You need to stop. You're too bright. You take a rope and turn it in a mile. You need to stop. Outside and bright. Who if you attack you, Cora? Who gonna attack you? Who gonna attack you, Cora? And you pay to kill daddy. You paid fucking money to kill the man. You paid to kill the man. And we all know you paid to kill the fucking man. Stop it. Cut all Cora, you need to stop it. Leave it alone. From 2019 till now, nobody don't look at your Cora. You is dead meat. You don't serve no purpose. Stop it. Nobody never attack your Cora. Cora, the man legally married a foreigner and daddy never married. You keep your engagement party with you and all your Instagram friend them. With your fireman where you carry all where you do. Cora, why not talk the things for all the years you and daddy they have left right and center. You have in front of England husband. Stop call up the man name, let him rest in peace. Stop doing it. Cora, mean by you not get nothing. Cora, you rob up too much millions when the man just dead. I will keep you rob when the man blood clot dead. Stop doing it. You need to stop, big girl. Stop doing it. From daddy dead till now, I've never addressed it. I don't look at you. Cora, talk the truth. You not pay for not even a rose nor balloon and no funeral. You didn't do shit. Nobody not attack you. Nobody never look your direction. Nobody looked your direction. Nobody bothered you. Nobody did anything. Why did you keep doing it? You go on your live and talk about so-called pitney. Cora, if you get said the reason why you jump out because you don't want nobody doing a DNA test for your child, that's why you jump out in the Cora. Stop doing it. The man dead, him gone, make him rest in peace, no? A long time you do that for your Cora, nobody not carry you to court. Nobody. Cora, tell the people them. Talk and tell the people them how the money rob up. Talk. How much money his daddy send you? With him supposed time, woman. And him send you. And when him send you before my father dead, the Sunday night when the meeting keep when the sibling them, you turn and say, you're not Abdallah, it's not your responsibility, you're not pay for nothing, are we supposed to do it? And we do it gladly, and in friend them, they're around and support, and we're there, and we do it. Not even a balloon, you never fucking buy. You never do nothing, nobody no look for you, dead meat. Tell the people them up to now, you're not going to police station to give your final report, because at the end of the day, every time them talk to you, is a different statement you make. Because you lie. Till you turn and say, them talk to them, I forgot through your liar. And that you turn and tell the people them, my girl come out from my father, name him dead. You talk about you not get nothing, crying but you not get nothing. When everything over and done the apartment, when lock up how long a business transaction with the man to get paid for, you're going to movie night and go in and wear and fix it up for yourself. It is worth over $30 million and you take it. Nobody don't look for you. Turn and tell them. I talk if you talk, man, you talk so-called kids. Turn and tell them at the ending of the day, when everything I want, nobody excluded your child. You kept your child away from us in every situation. You talk about so-called children. Me know me no blood clot Jackie Cora. Let's do a DNA test. Don't try it. You're fucking outside and bright. You're too outside and bright. Everybody's left you alone. Cora, when you hear say you cannot prove finals, you cannot prove common law because you and the man left 2 years before him dead, and you live in an apartment by your fucking self and him live by himself with Bella. So you can't prove common law. I saw you turn and go court. You carry the estate to court in 2020, and never nobody carry you go there. You go there to prove final spouse because you know you can't get common law because your daddy never dead 2 years and before him left. Stop doing it, my girl. You're wrong. And when you go court, you do a bag of foolishness. And when you go court, nobody know about it. Court talk the truth. You talk about God. God no like liar. Pussy talk the truth. When you go court, they let the judge send you out and say him have too much to in your family. When nobody don't know about what you do. Stop doing it. Or when daddy did that, when me at the liar, I look at me say, here what? Everybody get equal share and move on. The man daddy don't call it a day. You don't want an equal share, you want 50%, and you know say the man never blood clotting and nothing. Or tell the people them when is your wedding date. Tell them when is your wedding date, because you don't fucking know. You don't know. You don't know when was your fucking wedding date, because you tell everybody February, and the hotel was paid for August. Talk the fucking truth. You're the part one of ball. Stop doing it. Tell the people them say you're ball because you finally finalized it. Alfonso blood clot area when the British was legally married, and you kill him before he could get the fucking divorce, and you never know. Talk that pussy. You ever run up your mouth like we say people are rush. Core, nobody not look on you. You look like blood clot, no can see. Nobody not looking at you. You talk about suffer. Core, if you never done suffer, you would not walk out like blood clot, no. Stop calling my father name. Stop calling up with name, Core, we not look on you. You talk about so-called kids. What so-called kids? The man might not support the whole of the so-called kids them straight till whatever age. Core, why not walk and tell the people them so you come in at the man life, you try to push out the whole of his family then. Talk that no? Talk. Core, why you not talk say, when daddy dead, me call you and say like when him dead, I'm not planning a wedding, me gonna give you the preference of planning funeral. And you still not have dollar, but you're out of respect. Is the final goodbye for the man. That time me never know say you blood clap here to kill him. Talk that no big girl. Talk it now. I talk it for talk it. You come fucking life and you, who are you threatening? Who are you? Core, who are threatening you? Nobody not look on you. Core, nobody is looking at you. And you keep on telling people about you feeling threatened and you feel this and you feel Cora who is threatening you and nobody don't look at you. Nobody not pay you no mind. Cora, you carry the estate. First of all, let me tell you guys, we have no control over the estate. Cora and Daddy Liar rob up the whole and money. When lawyers contacted them about his paperwork, them said them can't bother and send it to an AG court. And she and the liar do it and never we. Because that wasn't the plan. We never want the bagger and the drama. She did it. Now when you got AG court that she realized that she can't get fucking common law, and so she can't go to court because she can't get it because them never did fucking 5 years living in the same premises, none at all. She went to court to final spouse. Court they court for 2 years final spouse. I'm not the judge. So obviously something wrong for you back and forth in a court for 2 years to prove that. You understand me? All right, that done now over. Remember that now not to do with me no. Cora, can we go court? And believe me, I got fucking receipts. You carried us to court to prove final spouse and you want to take over estate. You cannot take over the estate after you said it got AG. You twat. You and AG was in court. It's not you and the kids. When you carried us to court, Cora, none of us knew about it. It's when the judge said everybody has to be aware of what is taking place. I saw your lawyer had to contact all of us. So talk the truth. Speak the truth. Talk the truth. You talk about God. God no like liar. Talk truth. Talk fucking truth. And that you have to do. From daddy dead, me not walk my mouth, me not go back and forth. It's not necessary. Talk the truth, big man. Tonton is one of the most humblest person possibly in life. Cora, when you get daddy funeral and you try to work with the girl, them to sit daddy in the casket, and Tonton turn around and start praying and beg them to stop. Tonton has always had you fucking back. Tonton has always been there for you. Why? Because Tonton was one of the men when you could have called you. Daddy tried to say you beg school fee or something till eventually you start them. Let's talk about the man you getting now. How you doing? How you meet him? Eh? I know you start him. I know you meet him. How you meet him? Use the fucking pass from Bonnie. Don't do it. For all these years, my girl, I've never opened my mouth and I left you alone. Because why? Me no blood clot wrong you. You find a big hit and you can't take it, you take it. Tell the people them when you take out blood clot life insurance and daddy the year before him then. How about that? Hmm? How about telling the people them that when the man dead, you were on the phone with him tonight arguing because I must say you missed anniversary and birthday, but yesterday you could have found a ticket the man after him dead for Richard Jamaica. Talk about that. Let's talk about the fact that when the man dead and him kids them and you, because after all, you don't recognize us. When the kids them and you and them said them a come for collect nothing, you told the security to block us from going to our father's house. Not even an underpants nor marina we don't get from our father. We say fucking remembrance. Nothing. Because why? You take it and put it for antique site. We gonna sell them. Let's talk about that. You putting up this most holy and shit. Stop doing it, my girl. And with everything you do, nobody still not look for you. Nobody. We say here what the wickedness revenging life is success. And everybody live them life and I make them money and I do them thing. And you still fucking dragging down people? Cora, why you keep doing that? Cora, Rapunzel, bitch, you me a blood clot shot. I can save it and send it to you. Stop doing it. None of my family them now look for you, my girl. Everybody business with them life. Stop doing it. You fuck up. You fuck up. Nobody is looking at you. Nobody not paying the man, you're irrelevant. Tell the people them, oh, you're going to daddy life and you threw a blood clot time salt on him. Tell them that. Tell them, oh, the night when daddy, before him dead, get up on the phone and daddy tell you, say, no, the little boy, where you fuck. Tell them that. Eh? place for your friend every time they talk is a lie you tell. Talk that no? Talk that. Why you not turn and tell them what we're gonna do if we do the autopsy? You stand up there and then you turn and look for you start ball and beg them to lock him because you know the fuck way you do. And still nobody not look for you. My girl, easy your blood clot self. Easy your fucking self.
I'm tired of people threatening my fucking life. I'm tired of people calling out my fucking name. I'm just so fucking exhausted and tired of people and their fucking bullshit. Let me tell my story, because I never tell my story. I always remain quiet because I don't like confrontations. I don't like problems. I don't business with people. No matter what they do, no matter what they say, no matter what they do to me. But when this comes to my fucking life, this is a different fucking story. Carlton, aka Tonton. Let me start at the beginning. When Oney died, his so-called children, who were at the engagement dinner, lived in the house with us, did everything with fucking us, went to the courts and tell the courts that me and Oney never there. Oney left me from 2013. That I was born 2013, so you do the blood clot maths. Okay? From that time, he said they're telling people that me and Oney never dead, so therefore I have no rights to nothing. Fine. I'm not an idiot, okay? Although I'm quiet, I'm not an idiot. They went to the Attorney General, or Administrator General, whatever the fuck you want to call it. They went there, and they put in their claim that basically me and nobody. Their father had one woman, and I was one of many. I'm gonna argue, I'm gonna force me to fight them, draw me down, they bring me back internet, they talk all kinds of fucking shit about me. I don't care. I don't pay them no mind. When I went to the court to declare that I was a surviving spouse, which I was, everybody know that. My lawyer said to me, I need to get 2 letters from 2 people in Oney's family or friends to Oney. I went to Carlton, and I said to Carlton was supposed to be the best man at our wedding. I said to Carlton, this is a situation, everything is gonna come tumbling down. When it's your turn, if I get declared a surviving spouse, when it's your turn, I can assist you. I need a letter or affidavit from you to state just what you know about me and Oney's relationship. Not even no big deal. I'm not if you tell no lie, I'm not if you talk about what you know about me and Oney's relationship. The man said to me, him not get involved. I said, okay, fine. You're not getting involved. I never call him phone. I never ring down in line. I never show up at him house. I never go to nobody. I never say nothing to nobody. Nobody. I didn't say anything to.
All them things that work, just sit on hand. It's like all this out there now. All if I know you do it, I do it.
Situation. When my dad died, my dad did what with like a jing bang as well. And she tried to push everybody aside because she didn't know what she up to. You know, them people, yeah, when them see certain people and when them reach a certain age, them feel as if them can manipulate them and get what they want. Now, I'm happy that one of them daughter, well, as far as the daughter said, is the girlfriend that was pushing to the court for things of court, because obviously I think the dad didn't the dad never leave no will. That is why it's important to leave a will before you know, make sure so you write a will when you're in your prime and you're alright, your brain at work alright, so that's nobody don't manipulate you and how what to put in your will or whatever. But it's the same thing. It's the same thing my father girlfriend do, you know. Yeah. And when my father died, because she thought we were gonna come to the house and clear out the stuff them. When my father died, home girl clear out all the furniture, everything out of the house because she think we were gonna come and cause a problem. And my father dead left everything for that girl. And the funny thing about it, my aunts and my uncles, they knew what was going on because the girl did all end up breed for my dad last kid what she have. She breed for the man on his sick bed. And my auntie them still push through for she get the house and the this and the that. And I said, you know, so them people that did hate we, like, no matter what, me know, I know that I'm my father's child, but I never quarrel over no dead left, you know, because you see, because I know me work for it. It's not my sweat, blood and tears build no estate. Anyhow my father estate end up. So right now, who is in my dad's house? And she and her husband live in my dad's house now, you know. She and her husband live in my dad's house, and she have a child that she claim is his. That is apart from the child what me tell her says not his, because that the one that she get him on sick. As good as all that kill him, the embarrassment of that kill him, the humiliation of that, because it's like everything that everybody was telling him, it finally come true. But the wickedest part of it is that them thing they come true and him family them, him sister and him brother them up whole with the girl carry away how they hate we. Because through them say my father him ever call and I complain to them and I cry, oh, so for the this, so for the that and blah blah blah. So everything my father used to run and ball to them, you hear? And me was like the black sheep. So I never have into business with nothing. In the last couple of years, I wasn't really keeping in no contact. Actually, my father claims that I'm a girl's man and him a go girl it out till the end. I knew that was how his ending was gonna be. Me didn't know say I saw it. Me didn't know say I'm not get him things. When the so-called will was read, because that is not the real will. But me, I am not gonna take up a red penny. Say I'm fighting for no case. Me not use my hard-earned money to go fight for somebody dead left. Me use my money to invest in myself because I surely ain't gonna do that. After she come up with her fake will, right, and them read it at the funeral or whatever, it's like, oh whatever, I'm over this because I don't even care, I don't even know why you guys call me to hear no will. I'm just here because my dad has died. I'm here at this final send off. So though why? Anyway, the girl get my father's house and she and her husband live in our house now. But me did decide say me not go no court. Me not spend no money. Maybe because I'm not living in Jamaica, so it really never hurt me as much. But I have my younger siblings, my younger brothers, who them never get none. Cause two of them mad out. Because them can't believe so them dad do them like that. When I say mad out, them literally mad out. You understand? Because my smaller brother, I tell you say that boy was head boy at George's. You dig? When I tell you say he was head boy, anybody know George's High School at Kingston? Yeah, he did head boy there so. And him leave from George's and leave from Sixth Farm, and then he went to UWI. Anyway, because whatever issues him and my dad was having, decided him not go to UWI. He was a kind of spoiled child and all of them kind of something. But anyway, I know him we are talking about today. We're talking about the fact that how when some women come and meet the men them with them big picnic with them know already, it's like they want to come and take everything away from that. From those kids that the man have before the man meet them. You can't want more woman wicked than that. So when me hear the daughter angler and a triangler, I don't know them story, but me dey on the pitney them side. Me and the kids them side. Worse my father, if I did my father and the same thing, I worse my father never right now will and this girl from out of nowhere, she want 50%. 50% when according to the daughter, they left for 2 years, but then it just say on and off, because the man have a whole girl all about the place. Hey, that's why I tell you, say, wickedness can never done, you know. Wickedness can never done because everybody come on the internet, come ball one long eye water, and everybody know them dirty secret, what them do and what them not do, and how they manipulate some of these older men to get them estate away from them children where they have not them life, the whole of them life. Now she come on the internet and ball say people are gonna kill her and people are gonna when you not there with people and them have them family, leave them alone. When you meet a man and him have grown ass kids, you have to know say, you know, a man have over pitney, you know. You know, say I want if anything to happen, you know, say I just want like a percentage I will get because the man having whole life pitney them. You understand me? That's why when me talk to man, you know, I don't want a man to go to me, you know, because I look for and those kind of things. You dig? But it's a sad situation because it's 5 years now. One dead 5 years and people still a quarrel over estate and people who are got dead. My water fell and who now got dead. And all of these things. Me, that's why I say I walked away. When he come on to my father's estate and him little Jezebel where he have, we take away everything. I walk away. I walk away because me no want nobody. Me no want nobody come kill me. If you no dead left but me never work for. Me never work for my father money. So it makes somebody else come inherit it. And our husband, I live in my father's house and I sleep in my father's bed now. And none of we no go a yard. The little boy that she says is his child because she breed 2 times. She say one of them are fame, but we definitely know so the last one are not fame. But we don't even know. But whatever it is, whether I for him or is not his, it's just a wicked thing what women do, and enough of them are Jamaica do. You know, I don't know about other countries, but a lot of women they prey on the older men, and the older men they are so stupid. I don't know if them short or them feel like them still got it when them in them late 50s and 60s and them age. My dear, you know still got it. Anything where go on in your head, stop fool yourself. You hear? A fool them a fool you. A fool them a fool you. So stop it. Stop it right now. No humiliate yourself and humiliate your family. You know? And then when the mother them come and behave in a certain type of way, it's just so disgusting. When the little fly by night, them coming at the man life, them would know the man them with them hope a picnic. But it is what it is. I saw it go. I saw it go. Anyway, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I'll just give you my little two cent. Me just give my 2 cents. I just say the man them, when I meet them with them picnic, when I come to them live, I don't just want to take over anything. No girl in the work, so I'm glad I'm picking them son up on a fight. I say, peace.